Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Florilyn Suarez from Bubon, Butuan City, Philippines. I am 24 years old. I'm happily married and blessed with one child named Ace Tyler Ambrosio Suarez, 4 years old. I graduated as senior high school. My hobbies are cooking, cleaning, doing house chores, and marketing. I am a working student in high school. I am a working student for 2 years as a housemaid serving 7 family members, including 2 kids, ages 1 and 6. My duties are cooking, cleaning, household chores, marketing, taking good care to the children, to the pets, and many more. I am aiming to work in Hong Kong because it's a safest country, good governance, and high salary. To my future employer, I am loyal, honest, and responsible person willing to learn and adapt to your culture and do responsibilities all the time. I am looking forward to working with you as soon as possible. Thank you, Mom and Sir. May God bless you.